Welcome to stylish and cozy wooden Christmas decor. As the holiday season approaches, it's the perfect time to transform your home into a haven of warmth and joy. One of the most inviting ways to do this is through the use of stylish and cozy wooden Christmas decor. Wooden elements not only exude a rustic charm, but they also bring a sense of natural beauty and warmth to your space. In this video, we'll explore a variety of wooden decor options that can enhance your holiday ambience. From handcrafted ornaments to stunning centerpiece displays, these ideas will help you create a festive and inviting atmosphere for family and friends. Join us as we dive into the world of wooden Christmas decorations that will make your home feel truly magical this season. As the holiday season approaches, it's time to infuse your home with warmth, cheer, and a touch of rustic charm. Wooden Christmas decor offers the perfect balance of elegance and coziness, creating a festive atmosphere that invites family and friends to gather. In this article, we'll explore various wooden decor options that will elevate your holiday celebrations. Start by adorning your Christmas tree with handcrafted wooden ornaments. These unique pieces can be found at local artisan markets or even made as a fun family project. Choose designs that reflect your family's interests, from animal shapes to personalized messages, to add a bespoke touch to your holiday tree. Instead of traditional stockings, consider using rustic wooden stockings. These can be crafted from reclaimed wood and personalized with family members' names. Hang them by the fireplace or along a wall to create a festive focal point that showcases your family's personality. Embrace the countdown to Christmas with a decorative wooden advent calendar. Choose a design that complements your home's aesthetic, whether it's minimalist or intricately carved. Fill each compartment with small treats or family activities to build anticipation for the big day. Create beautiful table centerpieces using reclaimed wood. A simple wooden tray or a slab can serve as the base for candles, greenery, and ornaments, adding a rustic charm to your dining table. This simple touch can elevate your holiday meals, creating a cozy atmosphere for gatherings. Display a wooden nativity scene to remind your family of the season's true meaning. These can range from simple silhouettes to elaborate multi-piece sets. Position them on a mantle, side table, or in a dedicated display area to create a serene focal point in your holiday decor. Consider investing in or creating hand-painted wooden signs with festive messages. Signs with phrases like "Merry Christmas" or "Joy to the World" can be hung on walls or propped up on shelves, spreading holiday cheer throughout your home. Add ambience to your holiday decor with wooden candle holders. Choose a mix of sizes and shapes to arrange on your dining table or coffee table. Natural wood pairs beautifully with flickering candles, creating a warm and inviting glow. Complete your holiday tree with a beautiful wooden tree skirt. These can be made from natural wood rounds or even pieced together from reclaimed planks. Not only do they provide a sturdy base, but they also add a rustic touch to your tree display. Welcome guests with handmade wooden wreaths. A simple circular piece adorned with greenery, ornaments, or twine can be hung on the front door. This eye-catching decor piece sets the stage for holiday cheer right from the moment your guests arrive. Create custom holiday blocks using wooden cubes or planks painted with seasonal designs. Stack these on shelves or use them as playful decor on a coffee table. Choose designs that celebrate the season, such as snowflakes or pine trees, to enhance your festive atmosphere. Incorporate wooden wall art into your decor scheme for added interest. Look for pieces that feature holiday-themed designs or inspirational quotes. This can serve as a thoughtful reminder of the holiday spirit and make for a beautiful backdrop in your living space. Engage your family in making DIY wooden crafts together. From painting pine cones to constructing simple wooden reindeer, these activities can become cherished traditions. Each piece created adds a personal touch to your decor, making your home truly unique during the holidays. By incorporating these stylish and cozy wooden Christmas decor options, you can create a warm and welcoming environment for your loved ones. Whether you choose handcrafted pieces or engage in creative DIY projects, the beauty of wood resonates throughout your home, embodying the spirit of the season. Enjoy the process of decorating and cherish the memories made along the way. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in our exploration of stylish and cozy wooden Christmas decor options to transform your home for the holidays. By incorporating these rustic elements, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that will delight family and friends during this special season. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more decorating tips and holiday inspiration. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who may appreciate these festive ideas. Your support helps us continue creating content that brings joy to your home.